Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm base box. So let's jump into it. Little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so the first thing in this month's Boxycharm base box is this beautiful little product card that says refresh. And the first product in this box is the Wondrous Escape palette by Thebriabeauty. And you guys, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I used it on my eyes today, and it has your shimmers, it has your mattes. So gorgeous. Let me swatch some of these shades for you guys so you can see what this palette has to offer. It is so creamy, so buttery, and so pigmented. This palette features hyaluronic acid to lock in that moisture and rosehip seed oil to smooth that dried out skin. This is also a crease-proof formula, so it's going to really stay on the eye all day and not budge. The Thebriabeauty Wondrous Escape palette retails for $42. Next, we have the Estetica Contour Cream Kit. So inside this kit, it features 6 shades, 3 highlighting shades, and 3 contour shades. And here is what the little insert looks like. So you kind of get a basic idea of how and where to contour and highlight for those who don't know. And here are what the 6 shades inside this palette look like. It also comes with this little booklet, a little step-by-step on how to contour your face, which I thought was really cool for those who are just beginning. The Estetica Cream Contour Kit retails for $40. Next, we have the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm by Earth Harbor. And this has an abundance of vitamins C, E, A, and K. It has amino acids, omegas, and bioactives that are just going to really keep the skin dewy, bouncy, and glowy. What I also love about this Earth Harbor's company is on the side here, it says that it's plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, woman-owned, and so much more. The Earth Harbor's Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm retails for $38. Next, we have the Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara. And I'm pretty sure that we got this mascara in a previous Boxycharm, a recent previous Boxycharm. And on the product card, it says that this mascara is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. The Pure Fully Charged Mascara retails for $22. And last but not least, in this month's box, we have the Thebriabeauty Lip Job Liner and Lip Pencil Sharpener. And here is what they look like outside of the box. And I actually have this lip liner all over my lips today. And as you can tell, it is super stunning. It is really creamy too, so it made for a simple application. The Thebriabeauty Lip Job Liner retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys. I am absolutely loving this month's Boxycharm base box. You guys, Boxycharm is such a good way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before. Such a great way to have it all in 2022, from makeup, skincare, beauty, and lifestyle. Plus, Charmers unlock the best beauty deals. There is also an option for everyone. There is the premium box and the luxe box as well. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.